Okay, my favorite part, we get to paint.
I know, I'm so excited.
I am too. So we have different colors here. We have different colors of, like weathered bamboo that's been out in the sun for a while.
Yes.
And then we have some great green colors. And of course, my favorite color is purple.
Yes.
Gotta have purple. Gotta have purple.
Oh.
That's just for bringing the colors, a little bit darker and stuff like that. So we're gonna use purple. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna start on doing the bamboo. So we're gonna start with this little bit darker color.
Okay.
And to get it out, so you're not lifting the whole can, you take the stir stick, and then see what I'm doing?
Oh, that's smart.
Just
I would have tried to put the whole can in
see?
there.
And
Yeah, it would have been
a
everywhere.
lot of people do.
Yeah.
Bruce has a great idea to make our bamboo bumps look more authentic.
Okay, we're doing the ribs on the bamboo, and I had them wrap some paper around it, so it's a little rough. So what I'm doing is I just went around it with some paper here, and what we're going to do is just smooth it out. So I'm just going around with some paper, a little bit of duct tape, so it's nice and tight. I'll do the same thing on the bottom, and now I'll have this nice smooth knot in our bamboo.
Wow, Bruce, I am really starting to catch that tropical vibe in this hut.
I
Yes.
feel like I'm on an island.
Oh, it's coming together.
Look at this. I've given you shade.
Need it from the bright
I'm
rays.
telling you. A little bit of cardboard goes a long way, doesn't it?
This looks so authentic. It's incredible.
Doesn't it? But wait till we get the whole roof done, and then we have hammocks going in here. We have a wall going in here, and very, very cost effective. If you want to do it one shade of green, which is fine. So you know me, I always like going the extra mile. So what I did is I took the dark green, mixed it with a little bit of purple, spraying it with a water bottle. Then I'm going back with the same base color, and I'm just kind of dragging it and just softening up, just to accent those shadows. Then what I'll do is I'll come back with lighter and a darker green, and I'll do like the splits that would be in the bamboo. A little bit of water. Now, not much, because we don't want it to run. You see how that just softens that up just a little bit? Now what I'm doing is I'm just taking the weight of the brush and going back and forth. And you see how that softens that edge up and gives that bamboo a whole lot more detail.
Now that's wacky!